I am so excited. This is the first of many videos. Today I will be playing Tiny Bookshop, and let's just get into it. Today's the day. Packed up my things. Leaving everything else behind. For a quiet life by the sea. Waterfront Square, Monday, summer 1st, I think. Click, click, click. Got it. Open, says me. In shop. Okay. Oh, okay. Wait. Okay, sale chance 19%. Number of stock books. I got three. Free drama, 10 fact. Oh, what a sight. You must be the new bookseller. I've heard so much about you. Who are you? Of course. Flower of me, I'm Tilde. I used to run the local bookstore here before my retirement. Lovely to meet you. I like Tilde. I'm here to welcome you to our quaint little town. And because I thought you could use someone to show you the ropes around. Let's see. You should know that us Bookstonians have very particular tastes in books. I, for example, prefer to read classic and crime novels and not much else. So why don't I have a look at your selection and see if I can find something worthwhile? Okay, you go crazy, girl. For fantasy. Have the right book on hand. When a customer finds a book, they will keep looking for more. Oh, classic kids and spin travel. Didn't have the right book on offer. For what classic? I had 3. Even though you may have the books of the right genre, whether people actually take one home depends on your scale chance. You can check your scale chance at any time by hovering over the genres on the right. Okay, so the 4 is a 25% chance. Sale chance shows the odds that someone might find a book they like. Because the chance is based on how many books you have in your shop, it will increase as you run out of books throughout the day. Managing to sell the last book of a genre is the mark of a great bookseller. Okay. Oh, that's cute. It's just nice today. Hi, Tilde. Hey, girl. Let's see, what does he want? Travel book. Got it. Travel down. Oh, you really know the ropes. Okay, didn't like that one. Got a fantasy, let's go. The Handmaid's Tale, can't have too many. What an odd thing to say. Hi there, you're the bookseller, right? So you already talked to Tilde. Did she know everything about you already? Yeah, she does that. Told me all about the review before I'd even started my job there. Oh, I'm talking about the Bookstonbury Review. It's the local paper. Yeah, I sort of write for them. My name's Fern Estrada. Glad to meet you. Oh, look at the little stars. Your arrival is kind of the only interesting thing that's happening around here in a while. That's happening. My bad. So you'll have to excuse my nosiness, but it's sort of my job to write about you now. How about you help me out by answering a few of my questions, and I'll give you a free subscription in return. You might appreciate the events calendar, and people often sell used books in the classifieds. That's right. So, for the record, what made you come to Bookstonbury? Bookstonbury? Wanted an adventure? Searching for where I belong. Oh, wow, kind of feel the same way. Hope it works out for you. Okay, and what's your first impression of the town so far? Friendly, I think. Don't worry, it really is. People might be meddlesome, but they only have the best intentions. Thanks so much for the little interview. I really appreciate it. And I promise you'll have your first copy of the review by tomorrow morning. I'll have a look at your selection now if you don't mind. See you around? Okay, Vern. Didn't have the fantasy book they wanted. Bought that, got the travel. Okay, no fantasy. Got it. Cool. Nice. Dang. Okay. Travel fact. Shows Vern a nice light. Let's see. More and more. Okay. So we split it between fact, travel, fact, and travel. Okay. Seeing the pattern. I can do this. Closing up shop. Bookstonbury review filled with articles, events, and items for sale. Thanks for Bookstonbury review reports on goings on around town. You can check today's and tomorrow's weather. Keep an eye out for upcoming events. Here you can see the money in your pocket and all the books you own, both in your shop and in storage. Looks like they're running a little low. In the classified section, you can acquire used books to replenish your stocks. Let's give it a try. Click to buy. This one's maybe valuable for 0, maybe valuable for 5. I'll take maybe valuable for 0. 3 it's for me. Handy. Maintaining a good stock of books is an important part of any book-selling venture. 5, 5, 3, 6, 2, 3, 3. Okay. Classified section will sometimes have other bits and bobs. Let's pick up this lonely cactus. For free? 2% to drama sale chance, plus 2% of danger. Ooh, plant standing. Small, dangerous. A bit prickly, but has a heart of gold. Well equipped. Okay. Oh, well equipped is in, like, in the store. I was like... Filled with articles, events. Oh, I already read that. Close the newspaper by toggling it on the item bar. Okay. Let's give this lovely cactus a new home. This is your item bar. From here you can open the newspaper and customize your bookshop, amongst other things. Click here to customize your bookshop. Okay. This is your inventory. Drag, place in your bookshop. Okay. Now drop it. Equipping some items will also increase your daily expense, so keep that in mind. Hover over an item, check what it does. Bookshop. Tiny books, fits 40. Get rid of it. Okay. Outside. Click here to manage different categories. Paint. Okay, hold on. Okay. Click the bucket onto what you want to paint. Look for a white dot or use icons above the bookshop. White dot. Now click the bucket onto it. Bucket or use icons above the book. You know, if I just thought about that half a second longer, I think I could have got it, honestly. Okay, what colors do we have? Okay. Shoot, this is hard. Okay. Oh, that's cute. Wait. Looks like you don't have a shelf equipped. What? Okay. Let's see. Make sure to equip one now to continue. That's okay. You know, I was good in there. I was confirmed. That's okay. It's okay. I am still okay. What's this? White? White roof? White walls. Okay. Dark green roof, maybe? Okay, we're gonna... White, green, no. No. We might just have to go with that for now. We're just gonna have to roll. It's okay. Institutionalize me. That was crazy. That was... Calm down. Okay, I need shelf. I have 2 shelves? 1 shelf. Okay, once I've satisfied your interior decorator, click this little button to save and return. Got it. Book signs, and this is books. Holding table, shelf for some of your beloved items. Yes, book. Some sweet messages here. You sold more than 10 books yesterday. Okay. I'd move it here. I'm gonna need shelves standing. Okay, I would do a guest book here. Can I pivot? No, that's it? Fine. Little cactus. Cute! Boost! 2% for cactus. Some items can increase your sell chance for certain genres or change the effectiveness of other items. Watch out though, sometimes this comes at the expense of another genre. Cactus, are you doing anything else? Nope. Okay. Standing, hanging, book sign. Oh, and it matches the color. Thank God. I want it here. Damn it. Yeah, that's cute. Books. Classic. Dangerous. I don't think there's anything else. Plants. Drama. Paints. We're back to paints. Let me think about this. Color scheme wise? No, I think that's adorable. I shouldn't touch it. Check the newspaper. Bookstonbury review. Tuesday, summer 2nd, year 1. Okay. Tiny bookshop rolls into Bookstonbury. Bookstonbury newcomer turns new page. Have you ever dreamt of finding your true home and starting a humble business abroad? That's precisely what this tiny bookshop operator's done, choosing our very own Bookstonbury as the latest destination. When asked about their first impression, the fresh-faced bookseller finds Bookstonbury very friendly. Find out more about this new and exciting shop by visiting the waterfront tomorrow. By Fern. See weather. Sunny. Also sunny. Events. Weekly flea market on Saturday. Guest column. Myra's travel log. Ollie on a budget. Don't miss these incredible tips. Which one do I have? More books? With really pretty illustrations. Vintage kids books. Used book a lot. Everything was good. 5 cents. Absolutely. Okay. We are good. We don't need that. And we are done. Each day you can pick a location to visit on the map. Yeah, okay. Welcome to Bookstonbury. Going to a location has a travel cost, which is based on your daily expenses as well as parking fees for the location. You'll unlock more locations as you go. For now, let's pick the waterfront square again. These are the books in your storage. Select a genre by clicking it. Start stocking your shelves. Travel. Okay. Click to place a selected genre into your shelf. Click and drag to place multiple books. Okay, this is now in your shop. Stocking more books of this genre increases the odds of people finding a book they will like within that genre. Check the sale chance by hovering over the books on the right. Up. Okay. 3. You can remove right click. Okay, so let's fill the shelves. No need to leave any empty space. Yeah, no problem. Travel. Okay. I know that they won't select them there. Boop, boop, boop. Has 8. Okay. Running classic. Let's go classic in here for drama. Love some of that. Put it up. Ooh. Here, maybe fantasy, another fantasy. Shoot, 4, 6. Let's put another one up there. Fantasy, and then classic or crime? Already doing it. Your shelves are ready. Let's go set up shop or keep adjusting your selection. Okay, that was like so not necessary actually. So we're just gonna do threads. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go classic. Okay, I think maybe not 10 cards actually. I'm trying to think how many classics I have going right now. 9, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go 5. Drama. 6. I could do. Kids. I'm so sorry. I'm actually gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Green, blue. 6. Travel. Okay, listen. Bunch of these. Travel. 6. Fantasy. 8. Back. Travel. 5. Travel. Stacks. Yeah, that's a really even blend. Okay, yeah, absolutely. I'm gonna do more fantasy actually. Okay. I'm so sorry. Okay, we're gonna adjust it just one more time. That's better. I'm not gonna go crazy on that one. I'm not even gonna look at it. Love it. Did you notice you can look around a location? Click and drag to move your view. You can interact with things by clicking on them. Let's pick up this buoy. Oh, just okay, click. Oh, buoy. While equipped, travel, sail chance. Okay, but how do I know what I can? That's it. Oh, I'm sorry. No. Are you? Okay, so it's very like rapid fire. Maybe don't do it. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Oh my god. Flex. Light. Beautiful. Okay. Anything on my side? Seems like the telescope is out of order right now. Best check back later. Coastal wildlife. Bay. Read on. This board is taken up with illustrations of the marine animals native to the local bay. You recognize the moon jellyfish with 4 purple circles. You remember seeing a stranded one at Far Beach before. Their delicate tentacles are used to catch prey such as plankton, but are harmless to humans. You also see an image of a herring gull in flight. It has a characteristically bright orange spot on its otherwise yellow bill. These scavengers can seem menacing to humans, but they are trying to adjust to the increasing urbanization of their habitats. They are incredibly intelligent. For example, researchers have observed them shoplifting books, presumably using them to nest in. Lastly, there is a group of small gray acorn barnacles pictured, shown to look different above and below the water surface. Are you aware that the hard bumps often found on rocks and boats are actually the shells of small arthropods? An acorn barnacle's leg pokes out from the top once the tide comes in to catch plankton out of the water. Fascinating creatures. Feels like you have gained a whole new appreciation for coastal critters today. You right. I can just close their shop, right? Clunk, clunk. Money in my pocket. Sunny. Hello. What do you think he's gonna read? Classic. At least I can see the books. It's a classic. Is it a classic? Is he still wanting a classic? Maybe? Fantasy, okay. Wow, you really know the ropes. Thanks. Classic. Okay. Wow, there you are. I wanted to commend you on how much you've been livening up this place. I'm sure you'll want to branch out to other places in town now. My friend Mary owns a very successful cafe in the town center. If I call her up and get her to give you a parking space, you could get quite a few visitors. Yes, I know, dear. You can always trust me on these sort of things. It's decided then. Meet me out by the Cafe Liberté as soon as you can. Cafe Liberté. Isn't this lively spot in the town center? Go to the cafe and speak to Tilde. Challenge unlocked. As you meet her at the cafe in town, seems like she won't accept no for an answer. Oh, and while we're on the topic of showing your face, I heard her dear Walter was quite impressed with your wagon. He's one of the local fishers. Why don't you go over there and introduce yourself? You should be back from his recent catch just now. Okay. Introduce yourself to Walt the Sailor. Ahoy, matey. Introduce yourself to Walt the Sailor. He's usually sitting by the stairs of the waterfront. Okay, you might want to write this down, love. Having an organized diary will come in handy in our business. You know what? I still have quite a few unsold journals left over from my old shop. So here, why don't you take this one? There you go. Hope you make good use of it. Goodbye. I have the journal. Open it anytime to check your progress. Item bar. Here you go. You can check the genres which are sold the most useful for adjusting your selection. This is the total number of books you've sold here. Check back here for hints and events you discover more. Looks like this page holds little postage stamps to mark your moments in Bookstonbury. You'll collect these stamps as you are making contributions around town. You can also see your progress towards the stamps, as well as hints and extra input. Over here with more information. Introduce yourself to Walt the Sailor. He's usually bringing us. Click on the arrows to find the page. Click one of the bookmarks to quickly navigate between the different chapters of the journal. 20. Dang! Stamps. Characters. On this page you can see the different items and effects currently affecting your bookshop. Make sure to use this page if you're ever unsure what something does, or when you're trying to create the most optimized bookshop. Does it say anything about them? Aw, cute! Her pillar of the community cat lover knows better than you. How lovely. Memories! Oh, cute! Okay. Let me out. You found a character entry. This page allows you to find out more about the characters you meet. It includes genres they like, personal information, and where you last saw them. Sometimes characters will have requests for you to fulfill. You can check up on them here and track your progress. Play, genres, fantasy, travel. Oh, okay. Journalist, TTRPG, nerd, bad at small talk. Hey, waterfront. Cute. Goodbye. If I talk to him, does it end my day? Hey, what are you doing here? So I assumed you'd be at the beach like everyone else. Oh, I'm so sorry. I already forgot that you're new. You just seem to fit in so easily. I'm so sorry. Sorry. Here, I'll show you how to get to Far Beach in case you want to drop by there soon. afternoon at the seaside, get to know the beach by visiting it 3 times. I'm not really a beach person myself, but I'm sure the crowd there will need some of your reading material. Great for exercise for my brain. Italian villas and their gardens can't have too many. Ahoy there, kiddo. How's it going? I made an acquaintance. Looks like you got a good sturdy vessel there. I have some old items lying around which I thought you might like. See if any of it is to your liking. Catlin trout? Hold on. It echoes the wisdom of the sea. Backtrack. Wait, what does it do? Critics say it's just Davy Jones's mouthpiece. 4% to travel while the fish is talking. 25% to the maritime effects. -2 recommendations for was distracting, activatable, ball, maritime. $45. Travel down to animal effects, hanging. You know what? That's like so okay. My friends tell me you've got some decent cargo on board too. They've been especially enjoying your travel and classic novels. Guess I have to be careful or I might be outsold by her. Why don't we make a bet? If you can make 20 sales to my buddies, I'll admit defeat. Sell 20 books to local sailors. Show off your catch. Introduce the locals to your literary selection. Sell 20 books to sailors. I'm looking forward to a little competition, kiddo. Good luck. Beowulf. So great. Oh. Well, you're gonna be out of business, buddy. Not the right travel books. We are liking a travel classic stack, really. Travel classic or travel fact. It's a day. So I should have talked to him before, though, for thinking about it. If I started my day talking to him... Hiya. Click, I don't want to end the day. Okay. Packing up shop. I'm out. Looks like some items have been discounted a little. Now might be a good time to buy them. Although you could wait longer and risk someone else buying them first. Items in the seasonal section have a much slower turnover, so there's no need to hurry. Okay. But be sure to snatch them up before the season ends. $1%. No. Vintage kids books down 5 cents. Heart-pounding mysteries. I don't have mysteries. Comedies and tragedies. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. If it helps, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. My mother said, and you are not it. Sorry about it. Oh. Damn it. Can I... Wait, Heart-pounding mysteries. Kids and crime? Can I afford to, like... No, I need money to go to the... That's fine. 23 comedies. I'm loving life, really? Let's see, really fast. Bookstonbury review. Wednesday, summer 3rd. Year 1. Public park still in disrepair. Park management looking for volunteers. Last winter, a series of snowstorms devastated vital parts of the beloved Wright Park. Many trees were uprooted, and flower beds were destroyed by strong hail. Since the beginning of the year, members of the Bookstonbury community have repeatedly expressed they wish for a restoration effort. Led by students of St. Bookston University, a newly formed group of volunteers is looking for local gardeners willing to donate their precious time and resources to the much-needed repairs. Bay cluttered by buoys, local fishers' nets are full of unregistered buoys. Sunny today, sunny tomorrow. Weekly flea market is still on Saturday, and we have bought the books. We have $9 to our name. I don't need that. Customize my bookshop. Okay. Hold, click, drag. Bar Beach, $15. Cafe Liberty, $13. $6. I Buoy. Beautiful. You know what? Absolutely. We're just gonna give the beach vibes. Daily expenses is plus 5 cents. What if I take this down? Wait, daily expenses. Oh wait, no, hold on. I can do this. I can do this. Travel goes up. Okay. Yeah. I know what I meant to do, but that's okay. It's fine. Are you kidding me? So I sold travel. We're gonna go travel. I only have 2 more travel. That's not good. We're gonna go classics. I'm stressing. It's okay. In fact, that 6-4 fantasy. I did 4 fantasy. What should I do? That's not kids. Unfortunately, this is our kids. You 5 travel. I don't have any more freaking travel. Ah, that's okay. That's okay. Fact. More than crime. Fact. More than drama? Sure. That's a good guess. Let's run it. Okay. Monk. Seems like telescope's out of order. So, hold on. Have a look, matey. I don't want. Don't be a square by my buoy. Get out. Okie dokie. 4, 5. Like how many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop? 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. To revive him? 1. Why didn't that happen last time? It gave me a heart attack last time. Okay. A bookshop can also be impacted by the unexpected sources, such as weather, visitors, or special tastes. You can always read up what something does by looking at the tooltips. It's sunny. Selection. I think I'm gonna do good. She looks like she would read fantasy and crime. I was mistaken. Hey! $3. Need a quick read. Sometimes people will ask for help if they can't find what they're looking for. Pick the bubble to help them, they won't wait forever. Listen closely to people's requests and try to pick up on what kind of thing they're looking for. Hi, you're the highlight of my route. Don't give me one of those super heavy books, and I hate the condescending self-help books, but I'd love to read something to do with real life. Okay. Pay attention to how certain parts of their requests are worded. Some things can be optional while others are really important to your customer. People also leave their likes and dislikes unsaid, so make sure you put yourself in their shoes. Some requests might also be harder to fulfill than others. You can check the difficulty stars here to gauge how many books in your shelf are a good fit for your customer. Is that 1 star? Requests usually get more difficult as your stock dwindles throughout the day. Now let's look for a book that might pique their interest. Real life. Okay, here you can see the important info about a book, including a short description. Hawaii Story by Hawaii's Queen. Queen was the last reigning monarch of Hawaii before the kingdom was overthrown and annexed as territory of the United States of America. A unique and informative autobiography. Don't want a super heavy book. Okay. The short description, publication date, genre, author, and page count can all helpful to inform your decision. Can all helpful. Do you think this book is a good match? No. Once you found the match, try recommending it to them. Rio. Encyclopedia. Decoration of houses. Buildings. Known as a designer of brutalist buildings, this collection of projects goes. Maria Stewart, a Tudor tale of power, betrayal, and Queens, witnessed the captivating drama and heart-wrenching decisions of regal Mary in this love letter to Shakespearean plays by legendary German playwright. Okay. The gossip goes. Let someone know the investigation here. Surely they must hear it too. I love that one, oh my gosh. How will Poe's delightfully chilling story end? Edgar Allan Poe's The Telltale Heart. Yeah. The Fall of the House of Usher. American Gothic horror. No. There's crime and punishment. 671 pages. We're just gonna kind of, that's a kid's book. A drama. Shoujo mangas. A historical romance. Rose. 6 of Crows. Wow. These are actual, well, no duh, they're actual books, but like, hey. 496. I might have to, wow, I might have to start reading these. That'd be a lot to read. We are focusing on decisions of a regal Mary. This love letter to Shakespearean plays. It's, I don't have anything that's real. If not Winter Comes. It's a drama. Sloan, according to a reviewer. She's gonna hate me because I am not good. I won't wait forever, but I do have the time. Heidi could be based on a true story. She's not gonna be. She's gonna hate me. Oh. I hate the condescending style, but I love something to do with real life. That's 974 pages. Come on. Chill. Sure. Living in Alaska. Okay, yeah, absolutely. 294 pages isn't bad. Stop it. A perfect recommendation. I know I took way too long on that, but I don't know. I think that's... You might have just found someone's favorite book. They'll buy this one and keep shopping. Okay, living in Alaska. Inspired customers. Whenever you successfully recommend a book, all of your customers become inspired to pick up a book for a short time. Plus 15% to all sales chances. Wow, your customers just became inspired. This happens whenever you successfully recommend a book. It increases the sale chance across all genres for a short while. Sir, I think you want some fantasy. Fantasy. It's okay. Hey, I'll just pick out a new book if that's okay. Yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. Let's hope the nice weather holds up until Saturday. Everyone's counting on it for the flea market. You also wanted fact. That's okay. Excuse me. Yes, Fern. What's the latest headline? I wouldn't mind reading another travel guide. Also, I'm ready for a 700-page commitment. Do you have anything like 1,000 places to see before you die? Yes, I do. Thanks. Notice that some books can show up across different genres. This doesn't impact how a customer perceives the book, but you can use it to recommend books in a genre where your customer might not have been looking. Get Out? I'm like, fortune teller? That was not the right word. No thanks. Huh? I already read books like it. Not do I have it? Fern, come back. Oh, looks like you did not manage to find something for this person. For now, they're done shopping, but maybe they'll come back another time. I don't know. Named that bird, I'm sorry. It's Fern shirt? That's insane. I love that. Oh my gosh, I need so many more fact books, please. Decoration of houses, I can't believe it. Not another travel. Ahoy, I need rescue. 5 stars, prefer non-fiction. I'm a traveler, like reading about places, also could pick up a new hobby. Cooking in Korea. Non-fiction. This takes illustrated to the next level. Enjoys colorful fun guide to Korean cuisine, making new recipes more fun than ever. Just wanted to meet a dinosaur. You just hop down an Icelandic volcano. Real places. New hobby. It's gonna be cooking in Korea. I got this. Redemption arc. Let's go. Looks like you managed to surprise them with an unexpected pick. Now that's a surprising treat. Cook Korean sounds fascinating. We'll try this one and keep shopping. You're welcome. People say thank you. I know that it's polite to say you're welcome. I just don't... I don't know. I say thank you back. Closing up for the day. They have taken... That's fine. I like how you said like this, and I said sure. Sure, Fern. Heart-pounding mysteries. Travel. I need... Fact. Got fact. Summer 2. Summer 2nd. Okay. Saturday market bigger than ever. It's Thursday, December 4th, by the way. Year 1. Organizers expect record turnout thanks to perfect weather conditions. At our town's ongoing flea market in time, weekend visitors can once again browse, haggle, and buy to their heart's content. Stalls will offer a variety of vintage clothing, artworks, plants, homewares, records, and more. But whether visitors will get a fresh selection of books remains to be seen. Staff tip, turning up between 9 and 11 a.m. will guarantee the best bargains. Anonymous poetry discovered at Far Beach. Enigmatic bottled verses captivate literature students. Peace! Sunny today, sunny tomorrow. Where do I need to go? Sell books. I'm doing it. Isolated couch. I don't want to. He scares me. Get that out of my face. We could go to Far Beach. We could go to Cafe Liberty. I want more fact book. Bestow knowledge, including textbooks, manuals, cookbooks, biographies, history books, and self-help guides. We're gonna open it again. Mysteries. Travel. What's gonna be travel? Travel. Used book lot 20. I don't have the money for that, honestly. That's okay. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but I'm gonna be calling it. I'm so sorry. I will be back. I will take this on another day. Summer 5th. We'll hit it. Alright. Catch you on the next one. Bye.